What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my trading mindset. Right now I'm trying to get into this trade. Let me see if this is gonna work out for me. Give me a second. Alright, let me place that order. So I got a working order real quick. Oh, it just jumped up to open to a contract real quick. Alright, my strike price is 1.3235. Oh, give me a second, I'll be right back. I just placed another order. There you go. Yeah, I was trying to get in and get another contract in there so that I can take advantage of it because it bounced up. So right now I'm using most of my available balance to get some money. Let me see. Let me change this real quick. Alright. 32, 35. This yellow line, it needs to stay below it. Okay, that one right here. So right now we're in profit. And 2 contracts at $10. And well, yeah. And let's see how it goes, guys. I'm gonna mute real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, got 41 seconds left. Still in profit. Remember, that's 2 contracts because I got into it at the second time when it bounced back up to that line. And that's my line right there. This is my candle. 12 seconds left. Alright. 201.50. I believe that was about $45 profit. So $45 in 5 minutes. Let me see if I could jump into another one real quick. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. Sorry, I'm actually eating lunch right now, but I see a good opportunity, I think, right here. Yeah, I believe if it spikes up, I could get into 2 contracts right here. Come on. There we go. Alright, it went straight through. 2 contracts. 1 minute and 19 seconds left. 2 contracts at 25.75. I need to stay below that blue line right here. That's gonna be my. I gotta stay below this blue line right there. Right there. So that's my candle. Oops. $45 seconds left. $30 seconds left, and it's just shot down. So I'm confident. Yeah, there we go. That's what I like to see. Perfect. It's just keeps going down. Alright, 10 seconds. Alright, here we go. About to close. 2, 1. There we go. Alright, I think I just got about $45 profit right now. So altogether, I think I did about $90 cash profit today. I just took 2 trades. I think I'm gonna call it a day. So wow, it just shot down real quick. But if you like the way I trade, visit mytradingmindset.com and go and sign up for one of my courses, and you too could be trading like me. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good day.